going through the river again.
False assassination. You
No.
falsely
Hey,
targeted
hello?
for assassination.
We gotta evade the assassination. I'm gonna die. I'm literally gonna die. Oh no.
Do we just have to
Alright.
run away?
Take out our fucking guns. Whoever pulls up, we're about to fucking shoot the shit out of them.
Alright.
Hello? How close are these people?
Bro, you're just stuck on the fucking.
Hello?
Are you?
Oh
you're
wait,
just.
did they lasso you?
Did they? No.
Is that them?
No.
There's no way.
No, that's not them.
It's not, but I don't know how to get out of this.
You're stuck. You're stuck.
I killed them. Okay.
Oh, the lady's running away.
Oh my
Listen here, you little shit! Get
bruh.
your ass back here!
Bruh.
I'm being shot at. What?
Bitch. Who are you being shot at by?
I don't know.
Why
Let's
does
figure
this
out.
shit